Hi everyone, I'm really excited to share this book with you. It's called The Science Behind the Mishnah by Rabbi Joel Padowitz and Rabbi Jonathan Sasson. Now, Baruch Hashem, they sent this to me to share with other homeschoolers, and I'm so happy to make this video for you all because I think this is an amazing resource for homeschoolers to learn science and Torah. Okay, so let me show you a bit about it. This is a table of contents. There's 32 chapters. They all have different topics. Let me get to the first chapter. Okay, chapter 1, Twilight. So they give you the Mishnah here. So I'll just read it to you. From when may one recite the Shema in the evening? From the time that the Kohanim enter to eat their teruma until the end of the first watch. These are the words of Rabbi Eliezer, but the sages say until midnight. Rabban Gamliel says until the break of dawn. That's Brachas 1, chapter 1, verse 1. Okay, so then it goes into a chapter about twilight and what is twilight, and here, why does the sky light up before the sun has risen? And it explains the science of that. It talks about the atmosphere, reflection of light off a mirror. It goes into an explanation of that. It's very detailed. It's very beautiful language, the way it's explaining it, like very understandable, but interesting. Why is the sky blue? Talks about that. That's the first chapter. I kind of put bookmarks on some chapters that I found super interesting, though every single chapter is really, really cool. So here's whispering. Okay, so it says the Mishnah is, if one read the Shema but was not precise with its letters, Rabbi Yossi says he has fulfilled his obligation. Rabbi Yehuda says he has not fulfilled his obligation. So then it talks about whispering, right? When we say Shema, we whisper. And they talk about how it's impossible to whisper the Z sound. So I had to try that for a sec. And it explains the science behind that. It talks about vibrations, sounds, sound vibrations, where the sound comes from in your body. It's very, very cool. Let me go to another chapter, though all of them are very interesting. I'm not discounting any other chapters, just to let you know. This one is about snakes. Even if a snake is wrapped around his heel, he should not interrupt his prayer by speaking. So that's the Mishnah. And it talks, why did they specifically call out a snake in the Mishnah? So it talks about a snake and their sense of smell and how they detect their prey. And it goes into the science of that, how they have heat, their venom, and different things like that. And it relates it back to Torah. Here's another chapter that I highlighted here. Milk. On milk before drinking, it says, so they tell us which bracha to say on milk, shahakol, to say shahakol. And then it talks about what is milk, what's in milk exactly, the advantages of nursing in different mammals, milk in the Torah. Then it goes deeper, if you would magnify milk, what exactly is in it that is healthy, different things like that. So it relates it back to Torah, but it's so interesting, and it's very nice language, and it's visual, so you have that visual there. It has astronomy in there, and it is all Torah related. And so I always say, when you learn science, you're learning about Hashem. Science is the study of Hashem. So I think this is a phenomenal resource for homeschoolers. I would love to know if you've read this book, if you got it, how you liked it. Yeah, please share. And that's it. Thank you so much.